Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today's video is a Throwback Thursday meal, and I've decided that I'm gonna do chicken and gravy on egg noodles. So yeah, let's get into that. I hope you all enjoy. Here are the ingredients you will need, and I will put the recipe in the description box below that I'm using. So I just picked up this one large chicken breast for not even $3. And I will debone and deskin it, and I'll probably do the chicken in my Instant Pot so I can shred it. And I have some peas, 2 cans of chicken gravy. It called for 2 jars of chicken gravy, but my grocery store didn't have chicken gravy in the jars. They only had turkey and like onion. And then you'll need some egg noodles. So we're gonna go ahead and get the chicken started, and then I will put some water on to boil for the egg noodles. So I've decided to keep the skin on the chicken and the bone in so that it'll be more flavorful after we cook it. So I've got my Instant Pot on saute, and I'm just gonna open the chicken, get it in there and season it. And then I'll probably do it on high pressure for maybe 7 minutes. And I've got the water started for the egg noodles, so I'm just gonna get the chicken through in the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna season both sides of the chicken with some garlic powder. And I have put about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in my Instant Pot. So I'm just gonna season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, and seasoning salt. And I'm gonna put it in skin down and then season the other side. Okay, once that sautés for just a minute on each side, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel the saute function, get the lid on it, and cook it on high pressure for about 7 minutes. Now, I don't have any chicken broth, so I'm just gonna add a cup of water and hope that I don't get the burn notice on the Instant Pot. I'm gonna set that to sealing, cancel the saute function, and then I'm gonna do high pressure. I'm gonna do 8 minutes. Always make sure to salt your pasta water. I used this whole bag. It's 12 ounces, but if I don't end up needing it all, I will just put some to the side for my daughter and put her some pasta sauce or something on it so she can take it to work for lunch. But I'm just gonna let that cook while the chicken cooks, and then we'll put everything else together. Okay, so the noodles only have a couple of more minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 cans of gravy and peas in this pan, because we're gonna be putting the noodles in here with it when they are done. And then once the chicken gets done and cools and I shred it, we'll also add that to it. Just gonna use half the bag of peas. Gonna add some salt. Black pepper. and a little bit of onion powder. My noodles are done, so I'm going to get those drained. So I didn't use the whole bag. I used probably half of it to make sure that I did have enough gravy. This is all heated through. I'm going to turn it down on low and put a top on it and go ahead and get the chicken out of the Instant Pot. I rinsed those extra noodles with cold water to stop the cooking process and to keep them from sticking together. So I'm just going to throw those in the refrigerator and keep them for something for my daughter this week. And I have this all put together. Now I'm just going to get the chicken out and let it cool a little bit so I can take it off the bone. So the chicken cooked for 8 minutes and now it has did a 8-minute natural release. And now that's what it looks like. I wish I had smell-o-phone so y'all could smell this right now. I need to get it out and make sure that it's done. So the chicken is not done. I don't want to get a burn notice on the Instant Pot, so I'm going to add a little more water. You want to have at least a cup in there with the chicken so that it doesn't burn. And set that to sealing, and we are going to cancel and do pressure cook again. Let's do 10 more minutes. Well, let's do 12 just to make sure that it's done, so when I take it out I can just pop it in a bowl and shred it real good. All right, let's try this again. Going to get the shredded chicken put in here with everything else. This looks so good. Definitely a classic. Y'all make sure to let me know if y'all make this and if you like it. All right, guys, that is it for Throwback Thursday. It looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, I will have the Vlogust 2020 playlist listed in the description box below if you need to catch up on any videos. And I will see you all tomorrow for Friday's $5 meal. I hope you're all having a great day.